Hello there, today I show you my new Photoshop Action photo effect, AquaBloom photo effect Photoshop Action, freehand creativity. You can freehand customization and your original photography and pick the color your original photography, the back art and all layer are editable and use only just load pattern, brush and action and play the script and result come. It's easy to make and all are editable. Photoshop you can edit and combine everything. See the quality, just photography, open photography and direction 2 marks, and this is the result and this is the quality 100% view. See, any type of photography you can very easily match it and see the quality, the realistic, or also you can combine and change. You can change color, brush stroke, everything, move. See, there is the layer setting, all layers are separate and include. Okay, now I show you how to use it and custom it. See, so go my download file, there is the action file, brush file, help file. You can read the help file if needed. There is the some instruction include for written format, and there is the pattern. You need to load pattern, select and double click pattern, select and double click brush, and all are loaded. Just select and double click, or you can load manually. Go Photoshop, go window and brush option and load the brush manually, input brush, and find out my download file. See, it's loaded, and go window, pattern option, click this pattern option and more option and input pattern and find out my download file. Sorry, to load the pattern and close it and go window, action option, click, and now more option and load button, click, and find out my file and load button. See, up and down, this is the script and this is the folder, this one the folder and this is the script. Now you can open your photography, any type of photography, and our script support high resolution image. And I have opened this photography, and now make sure your photography is a RGB color mode and background layer is background. If not the RGB color mode, then go image mode and RGB click. And if your photography is not lock icon and look like layer 0 format, so you need to fix it first. How to fix? Right button click your mouse and the fit in option. Now is set a lock background layer, already lock background layer, then skip this step. Okay, now you can focus the subject selection. This is easy way, you can do any step, but this step is easy. Selection and select subject button, click. Now your photography is auto selection. Okay, and create a new layer and double click new layer, text option, brush, BRUSS, same my spelling, small letter BRUSS, brush, and brush tool, select the brush tool. This is the brush tool, and color any light color, and sub brush, the general brush section, sub brush, and brush the area. Just make sure you select brush layer and brush the area. So I need this area only, the body, shoulder and the protect position. Now I just need this. If you want the full area, you just brush the full area. This is easy. Now selection mode is on and deselect it, and I have hit the play button. Just select and hit the play button. Now start working and depend your PC configuration and image resolution size. All layers are separate, and our hidden formula research use, and there is the unlimited combination effect result. You can combine unlimited and color combination. You can use the color combination, and paper version is include. Also you can make it transparent PNG very easily for sublimation print. you can use this photography and make the art. You are the artist, and just combine your photography. All layer are include. You can decorate your layer. We have set up a default on combination, but you can combine yourself. Just wait and see. This is need to working because we have used the high resolution image. Okay, so this is the finishing result message now, and our connecting information. Okay, this is the result, and I just view 100%, not 100%. This is the 50%, and see the 100% is very realistic painting, and we have include the photography painting, also the brush stroke in the back art. Okay, and 100% SD quality. And now we can combine, and we have introducing the all layer and everything how to custom. So just watch this video, and this is the our top view photography, and back as include. So if you think some of area you remove your photography, you just select this marks point and brush select, and you can brush it, and our back art is show then. See, so is very nice. And if you think some area hard looking, then you can make it soft. See, so it's nice. And also you can check out the another effect, and another effect. This one is a light and shading include, and another looking, and this one is another looking. This is the like it's a black and white shading highlight option. See, so same way you can brush there if you think. And this is the paper option, and this time we have used only paper in this masking area only, and this option is full area paper option. And now I show you. See the paper looking. If you use this one, the full area paper option includes. So this time I have used the marks one because for transparent PNG purpose. See, all layer are editable and combine. You can check out this. See, Control T, you can Control T for transform, and you can move everything, and HD quality, so you can scale it. If you need, then you can combine it, and right button click, then okay. See, now it's set, and this is the hide only, so you can view this one, and there is another one or another one. See the quality, so you can combine yourself. You can uncheck this one, so another looking, and this one is another looking, and hide this one another looking. We have used the default setting. We try to include the all, but you can combine yourself, and anything you can move and easily. And this is the back shade option, and this is the background color changing. Double click this option, and you can change the background and pick color, any color. Okay, and just okay button click, then background color. Or if you want to the transparent PNG, uncheck this all background, then it's make the PNG very easily. See, now it's transparent, and you can save PSD or PNG, transparent PSD or PSD very easily. Okay, save, and you can save PSD, and it's transparent. Okay, I don't save, just close. And if you want to the customize the color adjustment, you can use the color adjustment. And now I have view the white color, the background option. This is the adjustment, another color option, another color, black and white, and another color, another color changer. Double click this option, and you can change the color very easily. See, if you want the one color, and this is the dynamic looking color, another one, and another one. See, double click this option and you can change the color. Okay, but this time I have not need, I just show you. And you can download this file. Check out my video description, download link available, and you can visit my on store. This is my on site, www.photoshopaction.net. There is the 99% discount this bundle we have include, and maximum product are video include, and others flash sale are going on. You can check out the flash sale option, and also you can download my graphical, all product is available, Adobe stock, visit MRI Kokon, and all link are include my video description. And MRI Kokon profile in graphics river. Check out my QC product by graphics river, and visit my profile MRI studio for creative market. See, our all product is there, and there is the available in discount. And check out Creative Fabrica account, MRI studio. So all link are available, just check out. Okay, thanks for watch this video and purchase this product. Still, if you need any kind of help, you can send a message, my profile, my Facebook fan page, or my email address, or also we have reply fast my WhatsApp number, so you can message WhatsApp first.